When it comes to finishing woodworking projects like refinishing furniture or repairing nicks in wood panels, an orbital sander is essential. But with dozens of models on the market, it's hard to choose the right one. This video will break down the top 5 highest-rated orbital sanders based on power, disc size, weight, and extra features. Whether you need a corded or cordless model, a sander for wood or metal will have the best tool for any sanding job. To start off our list at number 5 is the Bosch 5U0022 Random Orbital Sander. For light-duty sanding, consider the Bosch 5-inch Random Orbital Sander or Polisher. This corded model has a 2.5 amp motor for continuous power and comes with a dust-collecting cartridge and a vacuum connection port. It features variable speeds between 7,500 and 12,000 OPM, allowing customization for different projects. Despite its small size, it uses 5-inch hook-and-loop sanding discs for ample surface area and quick changes. The standout feature is its dust collection bag with a pleated air filter, which traps dust particles effectively and detaches easily without a dust cloud. Additionally, it's affordably priced. While it feels heavier than some cordless models, it has a comfortable rubber grip and easy speed adjustments. Next, in fourth place, we have the Bosch 6U0022 Dual Mode Random Orbit Sander. For power and capability, consider the Bosch 6-inch Dual Mode Random Orbit Sander. This corded model has a large design with multiple hand positions for control, including a removable handle, barrel grip, and molded hand pad. It uses 6-inch sanding discs and polishing pads and features 2 modes: Random Orbital and Turbo. Turbo mode reaches 7,300 OPM, removing stock 5 times faster than the basic mode. It includes a built-in vacuum port for shop vacuums or dust collection systems. Although a bit expensive, its capabilities justify the price. This sander has significant torque, a slow start feature to prevent jumping on startup, and is aggressive in turbo mode but easy to handle in standard mode. It's heavy for smaller jobs, but the weight helps it run smoothly and reduces vibration. Taking the third spot is the Dewalt 5U0022 Single-Speed Random Orbit Sander. For continuous corded power, consider the Dewalt Single-Speed Random Orbit Sander. This 5-inch sander features a 3-amp motor, offering up to 12,000 OPM. It includes a detachable dust collection bag and a soft carrying bag for organization. Designed to reduce vibration, it has a rubberized palm grip for increased comfort during extended use. Despite its single speed, this Dewalt model proved effective in tests. It's lighter than other corded models and comfortable to use with its compact, low-profile design. The dust collection bag is efficient and easy to empty, with a coiled spring that collapses to push out dust and a twist-to-secure collar for easy removal. While it lacks variable speeds, its single high speed is sufficient for most users. In second place, we have the Makita Cordless 5U0022 Random Orbit Sander. When electrical outlets are scarce or free movement is needed, the variable speed Makita 5-inch Random Orbit Sander is a great option. It uses Makita's 18-volt batteries, offering up to 65 minutes of sanding on low speed and 32 minutes on high. It includes a charger and a carrying bag. This sander features 3 speeds: 7,000, 9,500, and 11,000 OPM. It's compact enough for one-handed use and comes with a dust collection bag using hook-and-loop 5-inch 8-hole sanding discs. During testing, we found it to be the smoothest of all the cordless models. However, it is a bit tall, and the buttons are confusingly marked 0 for off and 1, 2, 3 for speed changes, making adjustments easy but turning it off tricky. The dust bag is easy to remove, preventing dust from scattering. Finally, at the top of our list is the Dewalt Cordless Variable Speed Random Orbital Sander. DIYers, woodworkers, and cabinet makers should consider the Dewalt Cordless Variable Speed Random Orbital Sander. This 5-inch cordless sander has a compact design and variable speeds between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM, allowing for precise control. It features a one-handed locking dust bag for easy emptying and uses 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop sanding discs for quick changes. While it doesn't come with a battery or charger, It's compatible with Dewalt's 20V Max battery lineup, making it ideal for those already using Dewalt tools. In testing, this sander proved powerful, light, and compact. The collared dust bag is easy to remove and empty thanks to the coiled spring inside. Although the rubber shroud around the disc was initially loose and rubbed the disc, a quick adjustment resolved the issue. I hope this review gave you a great overview of the top orbital power sanders on the market. Whether you go with our #1 pick or another model from the list, you can now sand with confidence knowing you have a tool that will tackle any finishing job smoothly and efficiently. After watching this video, my hope is that you feel empowered to start or complete your next woodworking project without frustration. So get out there and get sanding. With one of these high-powered orbital sanders in your workshop, you'll be able to create beautiful, professional finishes that you can proudly show off. Thanks for watching.